snowman was a jolly, happy soul with a corncob pipe and a button nose and two eyes made out of coal.
Frosty the snowman was a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how he came to life one day.
There must have been some magic in that old top hat they found. For when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around.
Frosty the snowman was alive as he could be, and the children say he can laugh and play just the same as you and me. Frosty the snowman was a jolly, happy soul with a corncob pipe and a button nose and two eyes made out of coal. Frosty the snowman, a fairy tale they say, was made of snow, but he came to life one day.
There must have been some magic in that old top hat they found. For when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Oh, Frosty the snowman knew the sun was hot that day, so he said, let's run and we'll have